Assalamualaikum friends, today in Xenia wallet new mission added in per protocol section, and I will teach you how to complete this mission and earn 500 gems for free. First of all, click on missions button. Now click on per protocol section. Little scroll down. Here you see Zile mission. Integrate your Zile account and earn free 500 gems. Click on this. Here you see integrate account can never be changed nor removed from this app. Are you sure to continue? Click on continue button. Now put your email of your Zile account here. As you see, I put my email address and click on continue button. Now click on accept all. So here you see join the community to start completing quest and claiming reward. Connect to Zile. Again put email address. Now click continue with email. Wait for login. Here you see verify you are human. Click on it. Check your email we have sent to this. Please enter code immediately. After putting code, login successfully. Here you see joins per protocol pioneer. Just go back to the application and here you see mission is completed and I got 500 gems as a reward. Click on great job. Now you see Zile integrate your account done and integrated successfully. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.